Just got a package today, July 12th. Know what this is. This is gonna be my Durston pack. And already I thought, what? This is crazy, like just in the box. And so before I even unbox it, we'll get the see if we can get the ounces of just the box with the backpack in it. So I can poke through here. So even with the box, 40 ounces. Carefully pop this thing open. That is not a toy. I'll go ahead and get the scales on this. And this is the large size, so they had different weights for different sizes. 27 ounces. So that would be 765 grams, 1.69 pounds. So this isn't just for weight, this is going to be for first impressions as well. But my first impression when I picked up the box was, wow, it's light. And I've kind of been expecting that, but frame feels nice with the solid piece across the top, a little bit of flex in the bottom. Go ahead and pop off this, like this. Oh, it's a nice big roll top. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it is marked as the large size. Just looking at it, everything looks nice. The zippers feel nice. Hip belt zippers. The shoulder strap pocket. Both sides. Everything looks really nice. Padding is not that much, but lightweight pack, you don't really need that much. Even the stitching here looks nice where the belt comes in. And the load lifters. Got the D handle there. Try this thing on. Lower you down so you can see this. It's the advertisement. Get that out of the way. Nice for you to adjust it as you're going. Just cinch it up. Oh, it feels comfortable. Even with just a little bit of padding. Definitely have to put something in this to see how it feels. But that was just the probably dirty screen initial unboxing. Just the pocket accessibility feels good. Yeah, try this thing out. Anyway, if you've made it this far, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the pack, once again, I haven't used it yet, just opened it up, but if you have any questions, either the Dan Durston website, or if you leave a comment question, I'll try to answer it as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. And just a little after observation as I was playing with it. This top strap, which is basically like a triangle on one side and a strap on the other. You've got the tightener here to tighten up overall, but then you also have a single tightener here with a slide in the middle. So as you loosen that to make it bigger, it's like self-centering. So thought I would add that in at the end of the video.